Welcome to Homemade Industries. We're back with the second build of the BLU/EDITH project, the smart glasses, whatever you want to call them. I've called these ones blue. The video I have for you today is all about these, showing you all the parts. So subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into it. Here we go. So this is a battery for the Raspberry Pi. In here is the glasses that you saw a few weeks ago in that Johnny Ive video. I just wanted to show off the different parts. I'll do a tutorial later. This is a SparkFun Transparent OLED screen. When it's on, it doesn't show up good on video. I'll show a clip right here. It is connected to here is the board, the motherboard, the Raspberry Pi, and then it's connected to this SparkFun Pi hat wire going to the board that connects to the transparent OLED screen. And right now it has a, I think, 32 gigabyte SD card in there that runs a little program 10 times a second. It keeps the current time when this computer is connected to Wi-Fi, which means when it's at this house, the time shows the correct time in GMT or UTC. When it is away from the house, it's usually wrong. It also says, "Welcome to Blue DigiGlass." Inside here we have a lens. The idea of that is it's supposed to help you to be able to read the screen. It's still really hard to read the screen, so that doesn't really work. But yeah, that is my smart glasses, my personal EDITH glasses. Pull out the battery and show you my future plans. Somehow, I'm going to attach this battery on this side, and I'm going to have a cord, and that'll help balance it, because right now, if I pick these up, it's extremely off balance, and you often have to hold one of the sides to keep them on when I'm wearing them. Yeah, I'm going to have this here to help balance it out, and there's going to be a cord going across that will connect to the Pi on the other side. It will either be soldered to the bottom here, or it'll plug into here. So yeah, that's my future plans for these EDITH glasses. This is my own design. I got the idea of this screen here from JLaser Video, but he did not use a Raspberry Pi, so I had to devise a way to connect it to the Raspberry Pi. He actually had a lot of trouble connecting it to his computer. It wasn't that hard to connect it to the Raspberry Pi. Do need to install proper drivers so like the screen, like anything I put on the screen only shows up in the middle of the screen in this little square. And I have to program it in a certain way so that it does that, because the program believes that the screen is sideways from how it actually is, so I need to install better drivers or better programs that will deal with that. These are my personal EDITH glasses. Thanks for watching today's video. Watch the playlist right here, like and subscribe, and I'll put links for all of the things that I built this with in the description. Also links to my Twitter and Instagram down there as well. Okay.